One ebewele. God will punish them. Ebewele. Odo na amadi ni shata afufu. Ebewele. So wadere. No mako odemene. Oge hineji. O mako ge hineji. Debewe somo na engo mind. Bia kulo nwanne ha. Kulo nwanne ha nunu because ha ji ego ha ga emebuli. Don't worry. Ebewele. Aga ma lo ebewele mi obere anya.
Ejama bidoro 300 feet away.
Nwanne mgbedo ezu udo le ro ọtọwa machine ga agbafe eje azụ ọtọwa o ejama pụrụ mbedo ezu udo isi nga na ihe mbedo ezu udo o tele m na isi nga na ipọ mbedo ezu udo mgbe a na-ere ọtọwa
ọhaneze ndị Igbo ekenekwa m unu biko ebe na nene masị m ihe ọma ya emelụ nwoke ihe ọma ya emelụ nwa biko na onwe unu mana onwe video na trend na social media nwoke eji demolish unu ya is very sad and is very painful na mmadụ ibe gị emecha ihe file maka na iji ego na-eki ya jide ibe bịa tinye bụ ihe nwanne gị mee ọ wapụtara na-esi na ndị Igbo afụrụ onwe ha n'anya na ndị Igbo afụrụ onwe ha n'anya na ndị Igbo na-enwere onwe ha anya ukwu but no ihe a bụ inborn evil that is living in the heart of men. Inborn onwe bụ na ihe a bụ evil people are living with, people are associating themselves with. Ogodo si na gịnị na-ese nwanne gị nwoke alụọ n'ihe dị nwanne gị nwoke alụọ n'ụlọ nwanne gị nwoke eti na blọk ka o wee nedo family anya because ine ihe a bụ ihe afụ family na this video o mee ihe ka o wee nedo family anya ka o wee nwekwa ebe ọnọ eme ihe ọbụla megide nwoke ibe gị bịa anya mmiri n'ụwa nwoke ibe gị bịa ele gị anya mmiri you think that Chukwu na-ahapụ gị God will not leave you. Even the sand, the earth you march upon will not leave you. Because as soon as blood touches the earth, as soon as tears touches the earth, judgment commences. The mother megidele gihe no wa ime mmadụ ihe mepụta ọbala ya wee wụsa n'ala. Know that life have left to that person. Blood is life. Life only have left to that person and touches the earth. Anything that person says must happen to you. But I'm not here to teach you to teach those things, Keta. But I'm telling you some of the mysteries of life that people don't know. Because in presence of his children and wife. I'm putting in this video. Uno for interview the woman. Then una nozia ukusina the man on ya wepụta. Ka the numbers on the back.
Mama. Biko. Kenye na-eme ebe a?
Dede dike na ahụ. Ihe awụlọ gị. Ọ tawara afụ kemgbe 1 year plus now. Ị ga-afụ the structure of the house. Ihe awụlọ gị and the only thing I na-eme I ji manage ịrụta ụlọ ha dị nnọọ just painting. Ya ka anyị bidoro ịrụ ụlọ ụmụ di m wunde mbe esomọnụ. Every time ha na-abịa akụzi ụlọ a na-arụ in the name of na ala iwe ala ha. Ha pụtadịkwa na ya ka ife bịa kwuo okwu ala ka ekwuo ya once. Ha pụta ihe onwe dị ihe ha mere mgbe Leyalie, this is them. Emeke Somonu, Chike Somonu, Chigozie Somonu, all the Somonu entirely. Look at them. Look at them. Leha nemenu lodimo. God, Jesus. This is my husband's hard-earned money. My husband's hard-earned money. Look at them. I'm seeing them. Look at them. Look at them. Leha. The Esomonu entirely. The Esomonu entirely. Look at them. Look at them. Oh, look at them. My husband's flesh and blood. His sweat, his time, his money. Look at it. Leya Kahana Kuzeya. All the Esomonu entirely. All of them. Chike Esomonu. Emeka Esomonu. The children. Emeka's children. The entire Esomonu. My husband's hard-earned money and sweat. My husband's blood. My husband's strength. Look at what they are doing to my husband's house. Oh, Jesus, take control. God, where are you? Jesus, this is my husband's hard-earned money. Your people will not go free from this destruction. My husband was etigenulo. Ona hana akazwe etigenulo. Una na kuzea. Inyega kuzentunu will not depart from you people. You people should go ahead. Una na waso. Don't run. Chike somanu. Look at them. Leo, the someone entirely. Look at them. They will not go scot-free. They will not go scot-free from it. They will not go scot-free from it. Look at them. They will not go scot-free from it. Okay, they are here. Look at them. Look at Chike Somanu. Look at him. Yes, look at him. My husband's had money and blood and flesh. Look at them. They are running away. Bianu, why are you people running? Bianu. You people should come and kill me. You people should come and kill me. What are you people waiting for? Lenu, look at this. Look at them. Look at them one after another. You people should come and kill me. Why not kill me at once? Why not kill me at once? Look at them. Look at the entire Somanu family. They have brought down my husband's house to the core. They have brought it down. Look at them. Look at them. Look at what they are carrying. Look at what they are carrying. Leia, they are carrying axe. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Leha. Look at them. Thank you. They have finished the work they came. They have finished the work they came for. Look at them. Leha. Ndembe someone. Look at them. Look at them. There's someone's family. They are going. They are going. Look at them. They run. Look at them. They are going. No more talks. They are no longer carrying talks. They are coming by themselves. Look at them. Look at them. Yes, thank you.